I have something to cheer me up. Some almond milk and frozen mango. It's delicious. It's like a womb. Mwah. It's a heart. Look at that. Delicious. So we're here about to talk about earthquakes. So let's just finish this first. Let's pretend it's an ordinary day. You're on a table eating your favorite food, but not a glass one. And then you feel shaking. And what is this called, you say? It's an earthquake. An earthquake is when you feel shaking ground like this. Whoa, whoa. Don't panic. Don't get out of the house. Find something sturdy. Oh, like this table. Let me demonstrate. So first, whoa. Of course you're going to feel shaking. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, guys, don't panic. Drop. Go under something sturdy, like this table. I don't know if you can see me, but I am. I hope you can. So you're going to cover your neck and your head and curl up and then wait till the earthquake is over. This guy will have to wait. You're in the car. Get in the car. Let's go. Whoa! You see the car shaking. Whoa! 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 Don't keep on driving. Stay in a spot where nothing is about to fall on you. Stay away from lampposts. If you're outside, the beautiful outdoors. La 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 la. Whoa, whoa, whoa! And you're trying to walk home from the city. What do? You run home, stay where it's also about to be falling. There's a lamppost there and another lamppost there. What should I choose? Go by the lamppost or go away from the lamppost? Which do you choose? You want to be safe, not burn yourself. Stay in the middle of the lamppost so they won't follow you. After the earthquake is over, do not touch the wires. You're going to get electrocuted, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry to say this. I don't know how to pronounce it. I just don't want to say it. You know the word. Yeah. You're gonna. I don't want to say it. So, again, when you're inside, pretend this is a glass table. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't go under it. This is going to shatter all over you. And then, ow, you're going to get hurt and go to the hospital. Like, for example, when you're sleeping at the night. Here's my bed. Here's my parents' bed. This is where I sleep. I sleep with my parents. It's by a window. Do you think it's fine? No, not at all. It's not fine. This window is very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Super duper dangerous, guys. When you're sleeping, Sorry, guys. I'm gonna move here. Everything's gonna shatter on you. And then you're gonna get shatters in your head, and it's gonna hurt. So when there's an earthquake and you're by a window, move it away for the night. And if it's not close to a window, and if you have it away from a window, it's safe, but you still need to protect yourself. Like this. You're in the middle of the night, you feel shaking. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. You cover your head with a pillow. Like this. Cover your neck and your head. Again. Like this. Check if you're on high alert. Yeah, if you're on high alert, follow these steps. If you're on a table and it feels shaking, drop. Go under something sturdy, and then you cover your neck and your head while you're under that sturdy surface. So yeah, and if you're high, if also you gotta get ready for tornadoes. Sorry, bless me. I don't know what's happening. So yeah, high alert for tornadoes. When you have a tornado alert, you're gonna have to go run to your basement, get 3 days supply, food, water, and then what else? What else do you need? Gadgets? No. Just anything you need to survive. If you have a bathroom down there, that would work wonders. Storage. Pack some things down there before you get high alert. And remember, if you're sleeping in the middle of the night and your parents might be watching the news, my dad just watches stocks, watches the news. When I'm sleeping, he's always high alert. If I was in a tornado and I was still up here, I have a basement, I was still up here, I was just up here doing nothing but sleeping, I might get sucked. My home, might get sucked into the tornado. It just spins around you. You might, the word. Yeah, I don't want that to happen. I'm just checking if my thing melted. Yeah, my dad will have to wake me up. So does my mom. I'm a sleeper. I go like, no. Yeah, I scratch. So it's gonna be hard for me to wake up. So yeah, maybe pack some sleeping bags or a mattress. I don't know how it's gonna be like living there. You tell me. So I hope this never happens to you. I hope you don't need this information. But if you do, just tune on to my channel for all of this support. Bye guys, we love you.